Funanya. Your brother wants another baby girl. But I have told him that this time around I want a baby boy.
But whichever child that the gods brings for us, I will gladly accept, enjoy. Same as my mother.
But wait, let me ask you.
Okay.
If you were asked to make a choice for us, what child would you prefer?
If that be the case, I already have a beautiful niece from you both. So I would prefer the male child.
Exactly. This is what I want to hear.
That reminds me. I'll be going to Umochi by tomorrow. My mother needs me.
But I thought you would be here with us until after my child's birth. Eh?
I wish I could. But Mama has sent message across. But don't worry. I will come back as soon as the baby arrives.
Oh. If you say so.
Yeah. I'll come back, don't worry.
No problem. Yes. Look at her. Look at this girl. Your brother has spoiled her. Eh? Where are you coming from, Ahunna?
I went to see Ugochi, my friend.
And who did you tell before leaving this hut?
No, you were sleeping and if Naya went to the stream.
Ahunna! Ahunna!
Name.
How many times did I call you?
2 times.
You are no longer a baby. Very soon, you will have a brother to take care of. Learn to handle chores in this house. Eh? And not to be walking around. What is wrong with this girl?
What do you saw? It's okay. Please allow this girl. Ahuna, go inside and eat your food.
Thank you, Funaya.
It's okay.
If I do not talk to her, she will get worse. Eh? Meanwhile, your brother is not even helping matters at all. Eh?
I know my brother. And I know how long it took you both to have a child. Please leave him. Allow him, please.
He's your brother.
Allow him.
Is he not your brother? You will support him.
Allow him, please.
Come on, baby.
Greetings. How are you?
I'm fine, nice.
I'm fine.
Nice.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Namdi. Ago.
Greetings.
Where are you going to?
Riding to the stream.
To the stream? To do what?
She said I was back.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
With you, Namdi?
No, nice.
Be careful. Oh. I don't trust you to Namdi.
How is it? I'm not my friend.
Oh, she's fine.
Okay, my regards to her.
Okay, no problem.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah.
Oh.
are very good with cheating.
Me too, I'll be watching you.
My playing game.
Now, welcome.
You're welcome.
Obinna, you're welcome.
It's a light.
Thank you. How are you? My sister, how are you?
Fine, you're welcome.
Ahuna, how are you? Where is the woman that pleases my heart?
She's right here.
Oh.
Obinkem.
How are you?
You're welcome.
Let's go inside.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I hope my daughter is in the way.
How did you go?
Fine. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. But I don't want anything to happen to her. Hmm? Do you know what her name will be?
His name.
What do you mean his name?
Don't start. Please. I'm not feeling too well.
You're not feeling too well.
I will not stop. Mama, stop!
I will not stop!
Stop! No,
I will not stop! What is it?
Okay. What is this again today? I don't have strength for this today because they don't leave me alone. Don't like this young man. I don't want to marry him. Because rapo no maka. Kanzwani kenuna.
Omalicha. Omalicha, you should be ashamed of yourself. Can you just listen to yourself?
Ashamed. And your monsena akwa. And Messi. Why should I be ashamed of myself?
Osama, why? Did you just ask me why you should be ashamed of yourself? Omalicha, you have rejected 9 suitors for this season. Are you possessed?
Nembiko, butu obi. Iticha bukita you nabani kobe who. Biko, I'm not the person that is your problem. Neither am I possessed. I've just not seen the man of my dreams. I've not seen a man that I love. All these men that are flocking around, I don't have feelings for any of them. When I see a man that I like, I will marry him. It's as simple as that. Biko.
Omalicha, now you listen and listen good. If you refuse to marry any of these men again that come seeking for your hand in marriage, I, your mother, I will die for you. Yes!
Nobody will die in my household.
No.
Mom, how are you?
I'm fine.
I said nobody is going to die in my household.
Tell her.
What is the problem? Listen, let this child be.
Hi.
You don't force a he-goat to perform its duty. When it feels like it will perform its duty.
Tell her.
Hi.
Let her be. Let her be.
Good father.
She will eventually get married when she sees a man of her choice.
Hey,
don't force her.
You know something.
I see. So this is the reason she has been rejecting suitors, isn't it? You are the reason she has been doing this. Thank you. Thank you, Nani. Keep it up. Keep it up. Continue supporting her.
Malisha, I'm sure you know why I called you out.
Yes, Papa. And if I say I do not know, that means I am taking you for granted.
Good. You see, my daughter, I understand you perfectly well. It is right for you to wait for the right person that you get married to. And I know for sure you will get married the moment you see the right person.
Of course, Papa.
But, Omalisha, what I don't understand is how and when are you going to identify the very right person when the person comes around? How will you know?
Papa. Well, Papa, I really do not know how to explain this to you. But what I am sure of is, when I see him, I mean the very right man. The one my heart beats for. Papa, I am sure my soul will definitely accept him.
Oh. Mom,
Oh,
it's
Papa.
alright. That is good. I have to tell you this. Matters of the heart are indeed fragile. There are certain things that you can only do it the way the gods had already planned them.
And matters of the heart is one of them.
That is just it. So matters
Papa.
of the heart is one of them.
Yes.
Very fragile. So my advice is think twice. Think wisely. Choose wisely. Be very careful.
Thank you, Papa.
I will.
And thank you for your support.
That's
Thank
alright.
you.
That's alright, my dear.
I wish Mama was like you. Things would have been easy.
No. You see, the gods are wise. The gods have made your mama
The way she is.
The way she is.
And they gave me a sweet papa.
Oh! It's alright. It's alright.
A blessed morning to you.
Hi. May your day be fruitful, my daughter.
You say,
How are you? I'm what of your mother?
you bless the God. It's fine.
That is good to know.
Nne, is Omalicha in?
No. I actually sent her to the farm to get me some firewood.
Oh, okay, let me join her then.
Alright then. Alright. Please. There's something I want to discuss with you. It's very important. Please. If you don't mind. I've been having sleepless nights about an important issue.
Nne, I am sorry if it makes you feel restless. But I'm still waiting to know what I may do to help you.
My daughter, please, tell your friend to marry Dikeh. Yes, Dikeh is a good man. He's a nice person. And I believe that he will take good care of my daughter for me. Please.
Nne, you know how stubborn my friend is. Especially when the subject has to do with marriage.
I know, my daughter. You are her best friend. And they say that best friends give best advice. Please, advise her. Convince her into marrying him. Please. I am begging you. Please, my daughter. Please.
This sounds difficult. I know. But I will try my best.
Good. At least good to hear. Thank you so much. Do this for me. And I will be the happiest woman on this earth.
Okay, now I will try my best.
Thank you.
No.
I will do my best. It's okay. Alright.
God.
Oh. Ifunanya!
Nne, you called me.
Are you sure Ahunna, my grandchild, is okay?
Nne, when I left there earlier, she was fine and strong. What is the problem?
And the pregnant mother?
Nne, they are both fine, even my brother. Is there any problem?
Bad omen.
Maybe I could also. Eh?
You will not understand. I usually pray for my children and those around them because I want them to be safe.
Say, Nne, please let me go back to my chores.
Would I be lying against your mother? But Omalicha, you are very lucky.
How do you mean?
Just this season, you rejected the 9th suitor, and not even one from my side.
Hey, Urima, don't talk like that. Eh, Oyem? Listen, destiny can only be delayed, but never denied. Manachelo, Urima, do I sense jealousy in that your talk? Me? Jealous? Please say something else, Biko. Biko. Are you angry? Uri. No. I didn't mean it that way. Sorry. It's not what I meant. Sorry, no. Sorry, let's go. This fire. Ndo. What is the meaning of this?
Omalicha, my sister. You're always angry. See how your friend is smiling at my little joke.
What stupid nonsense joke? Do we look like your age mates? Eh? If you wanted to joke, why don't you go and look for your age mates and joke with them?
Please, Omalicha, please, don't insult me. Besides, the joke was not meant for you. It was meant for your friend, Urima.
It's okay. Ozugo. Omalicha, you heard your brother. He said the joke was for me, so let him be. Because is that what you have to say? Yes. Anyway, you said I'm jealous. Obiajula. Mama. Welcome. Please come and help me.
You now gladly do that.
Why?
Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry, Mama. Sorry. I will help you.
Just help me. Thank
there
you.
Is no problem, eh?
You cannot help your sister, you're helping another person. You're insulting your brother. Omalicha, come, let's go. You said I'm jealous. He's helping me out. So come, let's go. I don't blame two of you. Hence, I have nobody to help me out. The gods will strengthen me. I will prove you people wrong today. I will carry it to her and I will get on with it.
So, Ahona, we attend the moonlight this evening. Yeah. I'll come and wait for you in the house. Okay. But you saw what I did last night. What can you do? Look at it. But serious, I don't know you can dance that well. Really? Seriously. How can you? Mama, Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it? I'm in pain, too. Mama.
I'm in pain, too.
Please, tell me what should I do? Please, what should I do?
Go and get your father.
My father?
Yes.
You'll be here.
Tell him the baby is coming.
The baby is coming. Please, help me get that bomb, man. She should come and take care of my mother. Okay, I will go
I think the baby is coming.
The baby? The baby is not coming yet, though. The baby is not coming yet, but you'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine.
My husband?
He's coming. He's coming.
My daughter?
They're coming. She's coming, okay? She'll be here soon. Oh, sorry, sorry. Take it easy. Calm down. Calm down, okay? You'll be fine. Calm down. You'll be fine. Calm down, please. Please calm down. Calm down, okay? Calm down. You'll be fine. Calm down. You'll be fine. Okay? Please don't do this. Please don't do this.
Maruto. 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 Please wake up, wake up. Wake up, your husband is here. I'm here. Maruto. Maruto, please wake up. Maruto. Maruto. What happened? She's not well. Baby. Maruto. 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 Please wake up. Wake up, I'm here. I'm here, please wake up. Wake up, I'm here.
It's okay.
Please wake up, Maruto. Maruto. Please wake up. Maruto.
What are you doing? Why are you sitting down? You haven't swept the whole compound.
Mama, please. I know you have your ways with discipline, but can I have some rest?
I don't see that happening any sooner. All you have been doing is lazy about. Until you are done with your daily chores, then will I consider your pleas. Mama. Will you shut up? If I were you, I will continue working.
You're back. Why is your face like this? Welcome. See, you're my daughter. I want you to be very strong. I don't want you to see me as a harsh mother. I am doing all this for your future.
Mama, I'm trying.
I know. But I want you to learn. I want you to learn. Because one day you will have to do all these chores alone, by yourself. Alone.
Nam, what's going on?
You cannot see her now.
Why not?
Please.
I want to see my mother.
No, please.
I want to see my mother. I want to see my mother. Nam, I want to see my mother. Nam, I want to see my mother.
It's okay. Don't look at me. Look at me.
Nam, I want to see my mother. Nam, let me go inside, please. Let me go inside.
Take it easy. It's okay. Yourself.
Stop crying. Take it easy on yourself, okay? You still have your father and you have God. Stop crying.
No, she's so resting on me. Okay?
Sorry. Take heart. You still have us. Take it easy.
Mama, please stop crying. It's okay, okay? Everything will be fine, okay? Stop crying.
Nothing will be fine.
Please,
Nothing.
Take heart. Everything will be fine.
Nothing.
It happened for a reason. Take heart.
Stop
Please.
crying.
Stop crying.
You don't know the feeling of losing your mother.
Take heart.
You
We
don't.
understand. We know.
You don't.
We know. Please stop crying. Stop crying.
Stop.
Take heart. Hmm? Take heart. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop. Take
I
heart.
mean, my mom will come.
Sorry. Stop crying. Take heart. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
Sit down. Stop crying.
No. Why the mother?
I don't know. Only the gods do.
If the ghost knew my mother would die, why didn't they save her? Why?
You don't question the gods. They give and they take.
I miss my mother.
They know better. You have missed her too.
I miss her. I miss her.
Look at me. It's okay. Stop crying. I miss her too. Okay? And that is more reason we need to leave this compound. Yes, since we no longer find joy here.
Nap, did you say leave this compound?
Yes, yes.
To where?
We'll go to Moji. Yes. We will go and stay with my mother and my sister.
But Nap, what about your land here in Ihala? Who's going to take care of it?
It's okay. I will always come and take of it. All I want is your happiness, okay? It's okay. It's okay. See, yes. Go and meet you. Go stay with them, be happy.
You see that brother of mine? He doesn't know how to do anything. All Obiajulu cares about is climbing from one tree to another. Forget Obiajulu. What are friends for? See, Omalicha, anytime you need this kind of assistance, just come to my hut and call me. You're such a nice friend. Thank you.
You're welcome, my friend.
So when we're done, we'll go to the stream.
It's a bad.
So that's how was the dance last night? How did it go? Hey, Omalicha, you missed. Hey, you know Oledo. Oledo brought new dance steps. That girl can dance, my dear. I envy her. I'm telling you, I missed. I envy that girl a lot. I envy her. Oh my dog, no. Chai. So she came with new dancing steps.
Yes, so.
Yes, that's very nice.
Yes.
So how is the general performance now? How is every other person catching up?
We are really trying. We are coping up. Yes. Especially me, you know
I trust you, my friend. You showed us something. Hey, I missed yesterday night. They come.
Don't worry, we'll come next time.
No, today.
Today.
Okay, you people are here.
Why are you always running?
What is it? Can't you walk like a normal human being?
Obiajulu, did something happen?
Urima, may the gods bless you for being polite.
He said.
It's mad.
Oh,
Omalisha. Well, I'm here to tell you, Dikeh is at the front of the hut.
Which Dikeh? What is Dikeh? Who is Dikeh?
Dikeh no nekema.
Idika no one came. How many Idika do you know? Idika your husband to be, and I think he's here to see you. Or your husband. He's at the front of the hut.
Is Idika your wife to be? Because you're senseless. If you have sense, you would have known that I have warned that young man to let me be. Why is he following me up and down?
Malicha, calm down. See, you have to take things easy with him. Idika does not mean any harm.
I don't care. He should leave me alone. If you like, let him mean harm. If you like, let him not mean any harm. I do not care. I am not interested. When he's done standing there, he should go to his father's house.
No, this is not fair. Go and see him.
I am not going anywhere.
Why are you going mad? Idika is going mad. I'm not coming here again.
Go. We are coming here. You just finish. Tell him to wait.
Well, it is because of you. Let me just
let him go. We are coming. Tell him we are coming.
I am not coming.
Let's go, you. You don't like this thing, no? I don't like this thing.
Ochotage. Now, Idika, welcome.
Have I not?
Omalicha, you should have at least offered me a seat.
No, I won't do that. Because you're not welcome here. So, Biko, go back to your father's compound.
Oma, Assam, I love you very much. Stop making me an object of mockery in this village. Stop making me a laughing stock, please.
You are the shameless one who is making yourself a laughing stock. You are the person who is ridiculing yourself. Am I the only maiden in this kingdom? Why can't you let me be? Is marriage by force? Look for another maiden and marry and let me be.
Oma, please. Oma, because please, I'm begging you, please. You know I cannot stay away from you. You know I need you. You're my obim. You're my heartbeat. But Sam, please accept me. No, because
take a very good look at yourself. Somebody's son. A full-grown man kneeling down for a woman. Nam, you're not only shameless, you're senseless. If your father sees you like this, he'll be ashamed of himself. And hence, you decided to leave your father's compound to come here and embarrass yourself. So be it. Suit yourself.
Omalicha. Omalicha. Omalicha.
If you try to
why does she hate me this much? Omalicha! Omalicha, please come back!
I'm going to show them that.
Omalicha. Omalicha, you should go back now, I can go for me. I don't want to stress you,
I think there is, one job that is waiting for you somewhere. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming to help me out today. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Omalicha, stop thanking me, Have you forgotten the way you helped me with my grandmother's land the other day? What are friends for? We are friends, and that is what friends do for each other.
I've even forgotten. But thank you for remembering. Because it is not every friend that remembers a favor. So you're a good friend.
It's the boy.
Wait forget. As you're walking, go straight home, because I know you. You will stop by the road now, start, I'll forget. Go away. Bye bye.
I knew you were going to take through this part, so I waited patiently just to see you.
Idika, what is it? What is it again? So after all my warnings to you in my father's compound, you couldn't hit to it. Why are you so desperate, Idika? What do you want from me? I told no more by force.
Omalicha, I cannot leave you alone, no. I will not. I love you very much. I want you to give me your heart.
Idika, how many times did I call you? I will run mad for you in this village, oh. I will run mad for you in this village, oh.
The gods of our land forbid you, not even mad for me in this village. I love you very much.
Who is your love?
No, my love.
Eh? I am not your love. If you don't leave me alone in this village, I will lay a curse on you.
No, be my love.
Leave me alone, what is it? What is all this rubbish?
I love you now.
Love, what kind of nonsense love is that?
Obi, I love you. I love you now.
Obinna.
Mother.
Now that you're back to Umoji, what do you intend to do?
Mother, I was coming to that. First of all, I want to weed my late father's land. Then I will start cultivating on it.
What about the one you have in Ihiala?
I'll always go and check on it. But first of all, I need to start doing something here first.
Okay. It's okay. It's your late father's land. And I'm sure you will make some yields from it.
Thank you, Mama.
May the gods bless you.
You say.
Yes, I'm sorry. Wow. The food is very sweet.
Here!
Mom,
Oh, eh?
you're always a good cook.
Hey, whoa! Thank you for the compliments. But if Funanya here has inherited that from me.
You cook this food?
Yes, brother. But Ahuna was there to assist me.
Now, you're not praising me.
I'm sorry. You know you cook. You cook better than Mama and Ifunanya.
Your father is trying to make you feel better.
Yes.
No, it's lie. Don't mind her. At least I will not get to die of defecation after eating your food.
Did you hear that?
Don't mind me. I'm sorry now.
It's Dikeh. Oh, my good friend. You are very welcome. I am very happy to see you. Welcome back.
Me too.
Look at you. You that left us to Ihiala. You know they say the he that goes will definitely come back. And you are welcome.
That is it.
Obinna, I am very sorry. Ndo, that I wasn't able to come see you during the demise of your wife. I'm sorry. It's due to my farm work. I have been very busy lately on my farmland. I'm very sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
No problem. No problem.
So, now tell me, how are you taking it?
Well, my daughter and I, we moved on. What can we do?
Your daughter?
Yes. Yeah, we both had a child before she passed away while trying to give birth to the second one. They both died.
This is your daughter. Where is she now?
She's somewhere around the hut.
Auna!
Nam.
Bia. That's my daughter.
Greetings, little ones. How are you?
That's my daughter.
She has grown to be a woman. My name is Dikeh. I am a very good friend to your father. Yes.
My father never told me he has a friend here in Umuchi.
He never did?
Yes.
Obia. Well, your father, maybe he was just keeping it a secret.
He never hide a secret from me. He
never
calls
did.
me his mother.
You just did. You just did.
I don't have an answer to that question.
Did I say something?
I've told you time without number. Whenever you want to do something like this, come and get me. Look at how you're stressing yourself.
What are you doing? I did not see anything wrong in doing my chores for myself. I've been doing it on my own.
I know. But now that I'm here, you should allow me help you. You're very, very beautiful, and I don't want anything to happen to your skin.
Thank you for having me. I'm just doing that to talk about you. See, you always make me laugh. See, you always make me laugh. See, but my beauty is natural. I cannot appreciate that.
I still want to help. Allow me to help you for you.
Balloon.
Malicha, wait. Sorry, no? Please, sorry.
Why you?
Sorry.
Obina, this your daughter. She's very beautiful. Yes. And smart. You are lucky to have her. Really? You are blessed by the gods of this land. The bead. The bead.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes. Where did you get it from? How did you get it?
Nna bought it for me.
Yes.
He said it is Lily's love. As long as I read it, I read his love.
She's my everything.
This must have cost your Nam so much fortune.
Yes. Yes, it cost me a lot. Anything that will make my daughter happy, I do it.
What are you talking about?
Greetings, Dikeh.
Ifunanya, greetings. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you going out?
I'm going to the farm. We don't have firewood in the house. No. Can I take Ifunanya to the farm?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Well, wait. Be careful. Okay?
You are very lucky. The gods of this land they have really blessed you.
Yes.
They blessed you.
I know.
The bead, the one your daughter was wearing. Where did you get it?
The bead?
Where did you buy it from? Yes, the bead. The bead.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes. Where did you get it from? How did you get it?
Nna bought it for me.
Yes.
He said it is Lily's love. As long as I read it, I read his love.
She's my everything.
This must have cost your Nam so much fortune.
Yes. Yes, it cost me a lot. Anything that will make my daughter happy, I do.
It will not cost me more to get it for my Omalicha. After all, she is all I will ever live for. Seeing her wear it will make me a fulfilled man.
Two things can make a man fall into a trance. during the day. So tell me, which one have taken the attention of my good friend?
You are not far from the truth, my brother. There is this beautiful maiden of this land who is giving me sleepless nights.
Oh.
She has taken away sleep from my eye. Ever since I met this maiden, I have not been able to get her out of my mind.
I said it. What are you waiting for? Go for her. Make your presence known to her parents. That's all.
I have done that already.
So, are you saying very soon she will become your wife?
No, I'm not saying that because she doesn't like me. I have done everything I could to make the maiden serious with me, but yet she doesn't love me.
See, this is what they call spirit of love. No woman in this world that will push a man away. They want to see what you have. They want you to say it out. How bold are you? What can you offer? Say it. Tell them how you feel. Don't give up. Be a man. Go.
Are you sure about that?
Keep on going. Push. Keep on pushing until you get it. Okay?
Well,
don't lose focus.
Well, you're always good with words, my brother. Like I said, she's proving difficult. But I will not give up. I'll keep on pushing.
That's it.
Until I get her.
That's love.
I'll get her.
Keep on pushing.
No, what can you
for you.
Well, let's get back to work, my lovely friend. I must get her.
Yes.
I must get her.
Sorry, let's do it again.
The last time.
Don't worry.
You look amazing. What is the secret?
Mama gave me this new wrappers I'm wearing. But if Naya said I look like an old woman.
If Naya, don't mind if he's only pulling your legs.
Now, look over there still. Are you going now?
Yes, I want to see somebody down the road. What is it? Why the sudden change of mood?
Nothing. Just I'll miss you. Please don't go. Please now. Let's play a game. Please now. Please.
You want me to stay?
Yes.
You want me to stay? You want me to stay?
Please. Yes, please. Please.
Okay, fine. I will stay. Yes, I will stay. I see that.
Okay.
No, let's give it to you for now. Take. Let's go.
Greetings, Dikeh. Greetings. How are you?
I am fine, Ofuma.
How are you doing?
Ofuma.
How is your mother and your lovely sister?
They're all fine, they are fine.
I bless the name of our gods. Say, for letting me to see you.
Say,
listen, I'm actually meant to deliver this to your sister. But you know how difficult and how stubborn your sister can be. And you know how rejecting and how she can be. Please, I want you to help me deliver this to your sister.
I will do that.
For the gods of Allah, bless you. Please.
Dikeh, these beads are very, very expensive.
Yes.
Are you sure about this?
I am very sure about this. You see, I love your sister very much, and I'm willing to do anything to prove my love to her. Okay. Just give her this and tell her I gave it to you.
No problem. I will do just that. I should be on my way now. Our goats are very, very hungry. Let me go and...
Thank you. For me.
We will do it. I will do that.
Yes, Mama.
Omalicha, I want you to tell me the truth. Are you seeing anyone?
Why are you asking me this question?
As your mother, am I not supposed to know about you? Are you not supposed to confide in me as a child? Well, just tell me all I need to know.
Ngwano. No, my mother. I am not seeing anyone.
Alicha, we have crossed that bridge. Let us move on. You have said this over and over again. Why don't you just say something else? Eh? Oh, Alicha, do you want my enemies to mock me? Is that what you want?
Mother, nobody is mocking you. You're just the only one building a mountain out of a molehill. Mother, because just let's leave this topic.
Amalicha. Idika. Yes. He is a nice man. He can kill a leopard just for you to say yes. Marry him.
Why are you so predictable? Eh? Why? Why? I knew this meeting was all about Idika. Can you just disappoint me for once? Summon me and talk about something else. Like, call your daughter and discuss something outside Idika.
Oh, Manager. Do you realize that that young man, he could do anything just to be with you?
And unfortunately, the situation is not the same here. I do not feel anything for him. I don't love him.
Oh, Melita, you don't need to love him for now. Marry him and the love will come. Yes, that is how it works.
Mother!
Yes!
How can you say this with your own mouth? Eh? You're telling your own daughter to marry a man she feels nothing for. Mother, please don't say this again, I beg you. Please.
Sit down. Sit down, I am your mother, I am not done talking with you. Sit down. Oh, Malicha. Oh, Malicha. Marry him.
Mother, please. Idika should leave me alone. He should go look for someone else to show love and attention for. Someone else to kill lion for. I am not interested. I am not interested.
Oh, Malicha. Oh, Malicha. Hey.
Believe me when I said you have nothing to worry about. I can take care of myself in the bush.
Are you aware that you're a farmer, not a hunter? Are you aware?
I know, mother. And you know how much I love my daughter. She requested for bushmeat, and I must give it to her.
Why not make orders from Ikenta? Must you go hunting?
I know, mother. Mother, you know that I am already successful in my farming business. I need to try something else.
I'm not comfortable with this.
Mother, I will be fine. I will be fine, believe me.
Nam, I wish you the best. Nam, I shall pray for you. May your path be free from every evil. May today hunting be favorable and God bless you. Farewell.
Easy boy. Someone is going somewhere without the other half. Can I get a hug? It's nothing to panic about. I was on my way to the bush to get help to my father. And you know it's not a pleasant place to go to. I was actually on my way to see you. But it seems my journey has gone short. Exactly. Let's go together if you want. No, Omalicha. I have to be with my mother soon. You know she's alone. But don't worry, we can talk here, okay? I promise to make it fast. I'm listening. It's about Dikeh. And what about Dikeh? I want you to have a rethink about this whole thing. It really means well for you. Yes. I know you are surprised this is coming from me. But when a man goes to any length to get a particular woman, that means he can do anything to protect her. Enough, Biko. Irima, I love and respect our friendship so much. And for the sake of this friendship, do not ever bring up this subject again. I wish you would listen. I do not want to listen to anything. There's nothing to listen to. Please. Yes, I beg you. I'll see you when I get back, okay? My regards to your mother. Help me, my leg, please. Help me, my leg.
It's okay. Sorry. Ahonna!
No.
Ahonna! Get the mat. Fast! Fast!
Mama, what happened? Mama, what happened?
Obinna, if you do not tell me all I need to know now, I will scream and the whole villagers will come here.
Mother, stop shouting.
Give me!
It's okay.
What is okay?
I've told you I don't know her. I don't know her. I did not kill anybody. I did not kill her.
Who is this maiden that you brought home? And what happened to her?
Mother, I don't know. I have told you I just found her helpless in the bush where she stepped on someone's trap. And you know how poisonous trap can be. So if I did not help her, she would have died in that bush.
Obinna, I am not against you saving a life. I'm not against you helping someone. We would have tried to find out the background of this person you are helping. I don't want you to land yourself in trouble.
But I know. I tried to talk to her, but she refused to talk. Mother, just calm down. Mother, see, I will find out. Just calm down. Let her regain herself. Then I will ask her. Please.
Are you sure? You better do that. You better do.
Hi, Akuka Adirondo. What kind of bad news is this? Yes. I saw her yesterday. But she was on her way to the bush to get otazi for your father. You mean she has not returned since yesterday?
My father is worried though. My father is worried. My mother is even shattered. I have searched for everywhere I know. I couldn't find her. I don't even know what to do now.
This is strange. She even wanted me to come with her yesterday. But I had to be with my mother. So, what do we do now? What are we going to do? Because I'm confused.
It may not be a good idea, but he's the only one left.
Obiajulu, please speak up. She's my best friend. I can do anything to get her back. Please.
Urima, see, I think we need to go and look for her at Idika's place.
Idika? See, believe me when I say there is no need for that. The Omalicha that I know will never step her feet into Idika's compound, let alone spending a night there.
You mean, yeah?
I am very, very sure.
Be sure?
I am sure, but if you want us to go, let's go.
We just have to try. We just need to try.
What are we waiting for? Let's go.
What is going on here? I said, what is going on here? Why didn't you or anyone tell me about this since yesterday? Why?
Idika, we thought she was with Urima. It was this morning that I discovered that she didn't even visit her at all.
When I met her yesterday, she said she was going to the bush to get otazi for her father.
She said what?
Yes, that's what she said.
I don't know. I'm not.
You two can go. I'll go in search of her in the forest.
But, Idika...
What is it? You two can go. I'll see you later.
Idika!
Idika! Gods of my fathers, what have I done? Who have I taken his own? Who is doing this to me? That my only daughter is missing. My only daughter. Who is doing this to me?
Did you just ask the gods that? Did you? You think that the gods will answer such question that is asked under pretext? Fam? Look at you. You think I don't know? You think I don't know that you are the one that I hid her away from me because you don't want her to get married to Dikeh? You think I don't know?
Keep quiet, woman. Keep quiet. Don't you ever say a thing again. Don't say a thing like that anymore. Because you make me suspect you. In that case, it is because of the pressure you mount on her in this house that made her to run away.
Or maybe you took her away. You took her away from me, waiting for the gods to say otherwise before you can bring my daughter back to me. Yes.
I said stop. Stop!
I will not stop! I will not!
Woman, stop. Stop, woman, stop! If you don't stop, one more word from you, I will show you the other side of me. I will let you know the kind of person I am here and now. And in this mood, in this anger, I will show you what you have never known or seen of me. It is very, very obvious you are the fault. You are the cause of.
I will not sit down. I will not sit down. Where is your friend?
She will come back.
When?
Soon.
How soon?
Please.
How soon?
Stop doing this.
I will not stop.
Why your nose?
I will not stop.
Hey.
I will not stop. Somebody should get me my daughter. I will not stop.
She will come back.
I will not stop.
No.
Get me my daughter for me. Get me my daughter. No. I will not stop. What is it?
No, Zugo.
Leave me alone. I need my daughter.
Dikeh, you have to be strong. Don't worry, she will come back. Okay?
When? When will she come back, Obin? When will she come back? She left this house without telling anybody where she's going to. She didn't even tell me where she's going to. I have searched thick and thin of that forest, and yet she's nowhere to be found. Not even a trace. Obina, not even a trace.
It's okay. I understand how you feel. Okay? But you have to be strong. Be strong, yes.
Strong?
Yes, something tells me that your love will come back. Believe me, she must come back. In fact, you have to go and look for her. Go and search for her.
Are you telling me I should go and look for her the second time?
Yes. I believe she has an explanation.
Explanation?
Yes.
Let me go into the house and get something.
It's okay.
So I can go and look for her.
No problem. I have to be on my way now. You know my daughter and I know how, she doesn't like see me coming back late. Go and look for her, okay? I will see you.
Please, extend my greetings to your daughter.
Mother, you asked to see me.
Sit down. Obina, if nothing is done about this thing, there will be a problem with this.
Mother, I don't understand. Which thing?
Why are you acting as if you don't know why I'm disturbed? Is it not about this maiden that you brought into this house that we barely know who she is? Are you aware she's beginning to get close to your daughter? Are you aware?
Mother, Omalicha is not a bad person.
Okay.
If she is, my daughter would have told me. I know my daughter very well.
Obina, this is Umoji. And we have a tradition. Keeping this maiden in this land without letting her go to her family is abominable. She needs to go back so that they will know she's still alive.
Mother, I heard you. I will send her back to her.
Talk up on ma.
Mama, Papa.
Hey!
Omalicha!
Mama.
Is this you? Hey! Omalicha!
Mama.
Is this you?
Go so far, Lord.
Omalicha!
Mama.
Hey!
I am back.
Hey! May the name of our gods be praised.
Be safe.
Hey! You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my daughter. You're welcome, my daughter.
Where is Papa?
Papa?
Yes.
Papa went to the Igwe's palace. Hey, he went to report this your missing case, and he's not back since morning.
Send somebody to tell him that I'm back.
I will. But
I greet you.
Greetings, my son. You're welcome. Hey, but Omalicha, you scared us. Hey, where have you been?
Yeah. Meanwhile, let my visitor sit down. Let him sit down.
Really?
Yes.
Please come and sit, my son. Come and sit. Hey, come and sit, yo. Sit. Hey?
You not sit down.
Hey, my daughter, you. Hi, Chimo. Hi, gods of our land, I thank you. I thank you.
Yes, Nai. That was how I took her to my hut. I treated the poison. She's okay now. Then I decided to bring her home.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, my son.
You're welcome.
Honestly, I never knew we could still have some young, good men like you in Umoji. Hi. What do you say your father's name is?
Obuefi of Umoji.
Obuefi of Umoji.
Yes.
Are you talking about that same Obuefi I used to know? Obuefi, the greatest hunter.
Yes, Nai.
Your mother must be Ola.
Ola, yes.
Ola.
Yes, Nai.
Yes, I remember this family. Yes. What a world. Honestly, your parents were known for their kindness, being natural. They don't look for trouble. They are good people all the time. And you're from that family.
Yes, Nai.
Once again, I say thank you.
You're welcome.
May the gods bless you. May the gods see you through. May the gods make your future the brightest among the men.
The news of your disappearance got me very scared. I thought something bad had happened.
Something bad almost happened. If not that the gods loves me so much and sent Obinna who was there to save me, I would have been dead by now.
May the gods forbid.
Fiakwa,
not my best friend.
Hey,
that is why we tag hunters to be the bravest people.
Hey, and who said he's a hunter?
You mean he's not a hunter?
I never said he's a hunter.
But you said he was there to hunt. How blunt can I bunny Murphy?
The never speed and I can know. But my people leave me, I'm tired.
Hey, I don't know. It's okay, Ezioku. Yeah. He must be very fond of his daughter.
He is. Very, very fond of her. In fact, he does everything and anything to please her.
It is risky in a way. It will spoil her.
You have a point, You have a point. You need to see Ahonna. She's such a sweet soul. If you were to be her father, you wouldn't have any choice than to love that girl. And then I had pity on her when I learned that she lost her mother a few months ago. I can really imagine how lonely she must be. Ogini, why are you staring at me like that?
Omalicha, are you sure the pity was for the girl or for the father?
What is this suspicion about?
I know what I'm saying.
What do you know?
I know you too well.
Ina jewelry or jogo.
Onye ajụjụ na-efu.
Hey! Somebody cannot be happy without one human being ruining it for you. Why are you such a joy killer? Ogini, what is he doing here?
Calm down. Calm down. Be nice for once.
But what is he doing here?
Just hear him out, please.
Omalicha, greetings.
Greetings.
Rema, greetings.
Hi, Idika.
Kekime.
I'm fine. Greetings. Omalicha, Mama, I will take my leave now. Okay? I will see you later. Idika, come and sit.
Come and sit as Ben Nage.
Sit down now. She already sit this side. Sit this way. She already offered you seat. I don't know what else you're touching me for.
I thank the gods of our land for bringing you to me. I've really missed you. I missed you very much. I searched for you everywhere, but you were nowhere to be found. I even went into the bushes. I searched entirely everywhere, including the forest of this kingdom. You were nowhere to be found. There was no trace connected to where you were going to be.
You did?
Yes, I did, my love. Well, that's not important now. The most important thing here is that you're okay. And that gives me joy.
Anything else? Is there anything else? You will not say so, no? I'm going to walk with slow motion. Say it fast. Ogini.
Well, I'm just happy you're okay. I'm happy you're alright. We got that you. For the first time in my entire life, she finally invited me to their house. She even offered me some food. Yes, she gave me some food to eat. Isn't that a good step? Opina! What is wrong with you? I'm sorry. What are you saying? I have been talking to you for a while now, and what is wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
What is bothering you? What is that thing that bothers you?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Ahona, okay?
Yes, she's fine. She's fine.
Then if she's fine, then what is it that bothers my friend?
She has stopped eating our food.
Why?
I don't know. Since that maiden left our hut, my daughter has been helpless. I don't know.
Do your daughter want that maiden to return back to you?
Yes, Ali, that is what she's insinuating. What's funny? Why are you laughing?
I'm sorry, my friend. Please don't take my laughter to heart. I normally laugh when I start getting this notion in my head. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. But don't tell me you don't understand what your daughter is trying to do. Eh? You know you've denied that girl motherly care and motherly love for a very long time, all because you're mourning your late wife. She's trying to tell you to get yourself a wife. You need to get yourself a wife, someone she can call a mother. That is what she's trying to say.
If I know this one, you would tell me. I should have kept it to myself. I wouldn't have even shared my problem with you.
Obina, now what is wrong with you now? Why is it that you don't love hearing the truth? Eh? Namwagezoko your jaw. Wakezoko Nike, eh? Eh? Ida Nife.
Joy and high is nowhere to found.
Omalicha. Name, what is it? Huh? Omalicha. So you didn't hear? It's okay now, it's okay. Please. Come so you can eat your food. Please.
I'm not hungry.
You can't tell me you're not hungry. You have to eat something. Come, let's go inside. I will feed you, okay?
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry. Why? Okay, no problem. I will go and after you eat your food, I'll go to the bush and keep bush meat for you.
I don't want bush meat.
You don't want bush meat?
Yes.
Then what do you want?
I want to say unto my child.
Kosi, what did you just say? Your father has been begging you to eat since. Been begging you to go inside and eat. And you're standing here and talking rubbish. You want to eat it to who?
Mama, I want to say unto Malicha. I will eat with Auntie Malicha.
Make you put on us, so. Stop this madness and go inside and eat. Ngwa, go inside and eat this minute.
Is Auntie Malicha want to eat with you?
Nini so baggy, but say see maybe chago. I've told you to stop going to that girl's place to make your hair. Why? Mark again is she doesn't know how to make hair. Adaku makes hair better than her.
Anybody home?
Ozgon, I will try her. Can you hear that? Eh? That sounds like Obina's voice. Wow. What is it? Oh, Malicha, this is just your imagination. I can see you are missing someone too much. This is not an imagination. I can hear Obina's voice loud and clear. I can hear it. Rima, I know what I am hearing. Alabiko. Oh, Malicha. Eh? Obi. Obi. Greetings.
Greetings.
Oh, I missed it too.
I only refused to eat.
And why did you refuse to eat?
She said that she will only eat with you.
Naughty girl.
Since you left our hut, you never came visiting.
And is that why you had to put your father through this stress?
I'm sorry. I missed you.
I missed you too, so I'll quickly get you something to eat.
Yes,
okay?
yes.
Meanwhile, I told you you did not listen. Obi, please let me please sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down. And for you too, sit down with your father while I make you something to eat, okay?
Okay.
Come and assist me. Stop staring.
I hope I will not be disturbing your mother.
No, not at all.
Really?
Aho is a very sweet girl, so I am very sure that my mother will be very comfortable with her.
Okay. Please, I want to ask you something. Do you have a man? I'm sorry. I just want to know.
There is nothing to be sorry about. And no, I don't have a man. Why do you ask?
Nothing. Nothing. You know, they said when a man wants a woman, he requires to know if he will be competing with anyone. See, Amalicha, please be with me. Be with me so that I will be a fulfilled man. Please, because.
Stand up.
I should stand up.
I am very happy for you. Right. Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
You mean she has agreed to marry you?
I'm telling you. I thought she was going to reject me. I'm telling you. Considering the fact that I was married before, one day, to my greatest surprise, she did not. What are you going to say? Yes. Oh, she said yes. She said yes.
You know, women don't reject widowers.
You're right.
It's only men that reject widows sometimes.
You're right.
Congratulations once
Thank
more,
you.
I will follow you there whenever you're ready.
You're always welcome.
No, drink up. Well, yeah. Ijia, this one you are extremely happy today. Have you killed a lion?
Yes, so.
Did you kill a lion?
Yes. A very big one for that matter.
You mean it?
Yes. She's here.
Where is she?
My wife to be. She's finally here.
Really?
She's in the kitchen.
My wife to be.
She's cooking.
You
will see her. Don't worry. You eat with me.
Okay, relax. Yeah, she is. Omalicha, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Omalicha.
What are you doing here?
Do you know her?
You are asking me if I know her. This is the maiden I told you I want to marry. The woman I love. Wait, I don't understand. How could you do this to me after all I've done for you?
Excuse me? You did what for who? Idika, I never loved you. And I made that clear from day one. It is not my fault that you were too stubborn to listen.
What is going on? Idika.
But how was I supposed to know that they were friends? Am I a witch? Don't know what to say. So what do you intend to do now? Absolutely nothing. I will do nothing because I don't owe Idika any explanation. Because I made it clear to him from day one that I am not interested in him. It's not as if I deceived him or anything like that. Have you explained things to Obinna? Yes, I have. And I'm sure he will understand. In fact, he should understand. Omalicha, I hope so. I hope so. You know there are two friends. And it's not fair. I'm explaining to you situation of things. You're telling me meaning what? What exactly are you trying to explain? Are you even my friend or are you a foe? Yes, so I am your best friend though. You better go for it, Dika.
You seem to love this maiden a lot. Why don't you go for her?
But mother, she's supposed to be married, my best friend. It may cause a fight between Irika and I.
Okay, why not try and see Dikeh?
I cannot even face Irika.
But this maiden said nothing happened between them. It's going to hurt him though because he was rejected by her. What if you stop your marriage plans and she doesn't even marry him? It's going to be a disaster. Why not think about it?
What is it? What do you want? I thought you're my friend. I never knew you're a backstabber. You took away the only maiden that I love in this land. Why?
Idika never knew she was the maiden you talk of.
Don't tell me that.
Believe me. We are still friends.
Then if you are my friend, if truly you are my friend, go back to her and end the marriage. Go back and tell her you are no longer interested in marriage. Never! What? Never! Yes! My daughter's happiness, that's what matters to me. Never! She told me you both never had anything. She never said to marry you. I cannot do it. Obinna, you are no longer welcome into this house. Obinna, I don't want to ever see you anywhere close now. Fine! Fine! Fine? Yes! My daughter's happiness, that's what matters to me in the whole world. Obinna, mufuga bambo siozo mebegi. Mebe wagi.
Aza, my friend, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, Ada. How are you doing?
Very fine, no. I went to Rima's place, but I made her absent. So I decided to take this way back. Have you heard what is happening?
What is happening?
On my way back, I just met Ubina with his family, coming back from the marriage ceremony. Ubina and Omalisha just got married.
It's a wicked word.
Why would you say that?
Why would I say that? No, give me the reason why would I say that? So, all those good things that young man did for Malisha, he ended up getting married to Obina.
You wouldn't judge like that. There was a time he saved her life in the forest.
And so, is it the first man saving a woman's life?
Maybe they are destined to be together by the gods.
No! Rest of our land, save us, so. Destiny.
Can't you see I'm swimming in tears? You aqua lily can nebrezi. Obin dere of hori enemy nandu mo boy can sit yo. Akeko one okon.
Bum. Mother, look, is anybody home?
Yes. Urima, what are you doing here? I thought you meant to be at the wedding.
They are done with the ceremony.
Okay.
People are there feasting. Idika.
Welcome.
I know how this is hard on you. But please, I want you to take it easy. Biko Jilian. Oh? I want you to know that I am always here for you.
Thank you. May the gods of our land bless you.
Say, bless you too. I brought this for you.
Oh, for me?
Yeah. I prepared it myself. Ejima, come see your football.
I will eat this. I will eat it.
Thank you for eating this. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be on my way now.
It's okay.
I'll come.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Urima. Dalu. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dalu.
Idika, I will come in the evening to take the plate.
It's okay.
Pardon?
I'll be waiting. Thank you very much for doing that.
You're welcome. I came to collect the plate so that I can serve you another one.
You are such a good cook.
You don't mean
your food.
So you like it?
I love it. I never knew you could cook this food.
I know. I can cook. My mother taught me very well.
I enjoy the food. Let me go inside the house and get you the basket and your plate. Yes, I had to wash them.
Is it really? Let me go and put them. I'll be right back. Look at the time, eh?
and she's still lying in there sleeping. Ota case has Ahunna.
Ahunna! Come here. Ahunna, what are you doing inside? What is good about this morning? What are you doing inside? Sleeping. While your mates are out there fetching water.
Oh, no.
Come, go and fetch water.
Nam, you have never sent me to the stream to fetch water.
That was then. Not now. Huh? Go and fetch water.
He said go and fetch water. Did you not hear him? Go and fetch water. Go and carry pot and fetch water.
You can't more help.
I told you you were pampering this girl. Eh?
Okay, it's okay. Come on. Let me continue what I'm doing. Ahunna!
What is at the back? Run, use your palm and fetch. Can I say run? Use your palm and fetch the water. Oyala. Ahunna! Where's that little witch? Eh? Ahunna! Are you deaf?
No.
How long will it take for you to answer me?
I'm sorry. I needed to put the food down before.
Shut up your mouth! You always have what to say. Before they will talk 1, you talk 10. Before they will talk 0, you spoken 100. Take this knife. Go to the farm at Iyoba and get me firewood. If you like, you sleep there. If you like, come back with 2 pieces of wood and tell me it's firewood. If I don't kill you today, you might have my blood on my letter.
Can I eat something? I haven't eaten since yesterday.
Hey, you've not eaten since yesterday? Chai, Ojoka, very bad. Hey, is it bonwa? Go inside the house, yeah? Take food. Take 3 meats. No, make it 5 meats. Oh? You don't have sense. Who do you think you are? Eh? You think you have the right to dictate to me what to do and when you want to do it in this house? As who? Before I turn my back, before Mualia, you have arrived at the farm. Ezi, come and eat. You want to eat? You want to eat the food that your late mother in the grave prepared for you up here?
Can't you see I'm swimming in tears? You are quite come busy. Open to
what is it? What happened? Tired. Kind of painful. If you're done waiting, you can go. I'm tired. I have so many things to think about.
Ahunna, don't you see it's getting late already? If you're tired of waiting, just go. I don't want to go. I want to think.
I don't want to go. I'm tired. When we get home, think about it, please. I said I'm tired. I want to think. Try my best. I don't know. Just look at this environment. It's not bad. And there's no time again.
Is nowhere to found.
Don't worry, I have a lot of things to do at home.
Who are you? Call me Mirima.
My name is Ahunna.
I know. You do. I guess your stepmother sent you here.
How come you know so much about me?
I just want to be your friend, if you don't mind. You don't have to be afraid. You think your father has changed towards you, and that your stepmother hates you so much. They are under a spell. And soon, the mystery will be revealed.
How do you know this?
I know everything, Ahunna. I'm just here to help.
Amusu.
Ahunda!
Amusu. Obinna, what is it? Why are you shouting with so much anger in your voice?
I know Ahunda is in there. Go in and bring her. Go and bring her out!
My husband said you should go inside and bring that witch. Go inside and bring her out.
Obinna, what is it? What is going on here? Is it not Ahunda you carry like an egg? Why have you suddenly become harmful to her?
Go and bring her out. Or do you want me to go in and bring her myself?
My husband said you should go inside and bring her out. Go and do so.
What did she do?
Do you want me to bring her out myself?
If you want to know what she did, yes. She did something very bad. An abomination. Ahunda broke the pot named Jiwedumono. Pot that my mother gave me on my marriage day. The day I married my precious husband.
Can you hear that? Go and bring her out.
I cannot go inside and bring Ahunda out because of one stupid pot. For you to kill. Yes.
Okay, you cannot bring her out, have you?
Obinna!
Ahunda!
Obinna!
Come on here. Come on
Aqua lele kam nebezi Obin dere Ohori ene menandu moboye kam sicho Akekuwam oko.
Who are you and what are you doing in my compound? I don't understand. What is Mirima?
My name is Mirima.
What do you seek?
A person suffers because of the taste for revenge.
How do you mean?
Omaricha was never yours. Why bring Obinna, your friend, and his household so much pain?
Obinna took Omalicha away from me. I never avenged. I only moved on. What are you talking about?
Really? Did you not cry on our sacred river, asking your chi questions? If you can remember what happened on that fateful day, you were in pains, asking your chi so many questions. We all know how sacred that river could be. People only go there when they are hot to seek for revenge.
Mirima, I wasn't aware of that. I wasn't aware.
Of course not. Your chi decided to avenge. And the only way we could get back at him was to turn Obinna and his wife from their daughter.
Why Ahuna? Eh? Why not Obinna? It was Obinna that offended me, not Ahuna. They should have poured their anger on Obinna.
She is his most priceless treasure. You bring down a man with what he loves. Indika, do something.
What would you have me do?
You don't want to be the reason why a daughter is separated from her father.
Mirima! Mirima! Gods of our land.
Greetings, Mazia fam.
Greetings. Who are you, my daughter?
My name is Mirima. I have come to tell you that the peace of your daughter's household lies in your hands.
peace of my daughter's household lies in my hand. How do you mean?
The shadow of vengeance has refused to go out from the vengeful spots. On a brightest rise of a sun, beside the sacred river of Achara Umuji, a son from this land cried out to his chief, seeking for vengeance on the most beautiful maiden of this land. And that maiden is your daughter, Omaricha.
I ask again, who are you and how come you get to know all these things you are talking about? Who are you really?
I am Mirima. I know everything.
Ta! Muchiono. Muchiobelonwa. That your little mouth. Shut it up. Who are you? I keep asking. Are you the spirits? Are you the gods? Who really are you?
You have to go and appease the gods of Achara River. Then peace will be restored to your daughter's household.
I have nothing with Achara River. I never solicited for one day for vengeance or for anything from Achara River. So, what are you talking about?
Idika did.
Good. Then if Idika did, let Idika go and sort himself out with the rivers. So, not me. He should go and settle the river. Not myself.
Idika has done his part. The guilt of a sin is not removed if the gain is not restored. Idika cried on that sacred river because of your daughter, Omaricha. Go now and do something. I am Umurima. I'm only here to help.
It looks worried.
Whatever a man does not know will never affect him. Several months ago, Idika was here ignorantly. But I am here today. I am here to break the curse. Whatever curse that has hindered my daughter and her household, I am here to break the curse, to make my daughter and her household free, and free indeed.
Mirima nenyendo.
You mean I've been hurting my own daughter?
Yes. If I had to take her away from this place, it will kill her. We took her to your friend's house, Idika, so that you can realize yourself, so that you can come back to normal. Eh?
Mother, will she ever forgive me?
Your food is getting cold. Why are you crying? Mama, what is going on here? Why are you crying? Talk to me. Why are you crying? Can somebody explain to me why my husband is crying? What is going on here? Where's Ahu now? Ahu? What is going on here? Can somebody talk to me? What is going on?
Idika, my good friend, please, if I have wronged you in any way, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. We are still friends.
My love, my word, the only man that sweetens my heart. Please, listen to your friend. We know the whole story, but at least everything is working for the better. Please, forgive him, please. Come.
I have heard what you've said. Obinna, Idika, I have nothing against you.
Thank you.
I bear no grudges against you. I have forgiven you. You are my brother, and you will always be my brother. No one can come in between us. I forgive you, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you. Someone go and bring Ahuna out.
Yes. Thank you, my husband.
Yes, go and bring Ahuna.
Okay, she's inside.
Yes, she's inside. Tell her to come out and come and meet us. Let her bring her out. It's okay. Ahuna, come, it's okay. Come.
Nem, oh, why should I be so stupid? You know I can do anything to please you. Please come, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Nem. Oh, you didn't hear? Come. Thank you. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
They'll soon be back. I am so ashamed of myself. If alone one mem, I'm so ashamed of myself. I can't even forgive myself. How could I do this? How could I do this to my own daughter? A girl I love so much. And then I treated her with such disdain. Stop crying, it's okay. I'm sure Ahuna will understand. Stop crying. It's okay. I'm sure Ahuna will understand. You know she's a good child. Are you sure she will understand? She will understand. She will forgive me. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Mama, Obim, where is she? She's what? Where's Ahuna? Where is she? Hey, Nemo! Hey. I am so sorry. Please, my child, forgive me. I didn't know what I was doing.
Please stop crying. I'm forgiving you. You don't love seeing tears in your eyes. Please, my you.
You know I love you, right?
Ihuo Can't you see I'm swimming in tears? You aqua lily can nebezi. Obin dere do. Oh, hori ene menandu mo boy kam sicho. Akekuwam okonya kamona kozi. Kedwi ene me nezinu nonkima. Obin dere do. My life is no more the same. Joy I had is nowhere to found. Kedwi eneme nezinu nonkima.